It's the scheme for me. Dinner is served. This relationship wasn't working for me at all. You gotta live up to the standard, girl. What you talking about? Hello.
You see,
Hey, Paula.
if you walk in this way, don't throw stones. Even when you do, you just find
One of your own. Life is not about your politics all the time. So you better rearrange your philosophy and be good to your fellow man, J. What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's this is another day in my life away from a 9 to 5. I'm not gonna even start talking about the struggles of even working a 9 to 5 for small businesses in Nigeria, the abuse, the pain, the emotional trauma that I gotta go through, like literally every other day. It was insane, okay? And for my sanity's sake, I had to say, you know what? I think I need a break, okay? I need to cut this shit off, cut my losses, and just move on, because this relationship wasn't working for me at all. You probably have seen in my previous vlog, right? Did you see that? I don't know if I explained that in my previous vlog, but I did take up a 9 to 5 that literally drained me in just 30 days, okay? Like the entire lack of structure, the lack of consistency, the lack of honesty, and I could smell bullshit like 10 miles away, okay? So I was like, this is bullshit, and I don't want to stick around for it, not too long, okay? So I had to just end this relationship and kind of move forward. I'm literally kneeling to make this video. I can't believe why I'm kneeling, but that's by the way. Might as well just sit on a pillow. Oh, there you go. Okay, so I had to do that because you girls, guys, I don't want to kill myself, okay? I don't want to die, okay? If I'm going to pay bills, I'm going to have to stay alive to pay bills. My mental health has to be in check if I'm going to pay bills, okay? So, and those things were being drained on this job, and I had to just say, you know what? I'm taking a break, okay? I'm probably gonna go over the details in another video, like real details, you guys, but for now, just know that your girl is back to content creation and doing my stuff, working from home as always. It's been like the latest thing that has happened to me. It is so fun having to work from home. It is so fun having to wake up to new challenges every day. I mean, I have to work with a lot of brands. I have to create content. That means I have to do a lot of research. I have to work my mind, you know, trying to come up with good captions and write-ups and all that good stuff and strategies. So that for me is more challenging than waking up in the morning and rushing off to beat traffic for a 9 to 5 where I'm literally doing the same redundant thing back to back. I was not cut out for all that stress, so I'm like, period. We're gonna stop that, period. Okay. Now I can't stand with the whole orange vibe this cotton gives, you know, every time the light just hits it and all that. But yeah, back to my hair. I took down my hair. And also today is salon day, so I'm going to a natural haircare salon today and having them wash my hair, having them stretch out my hair, and also having them put my hair back in the protective style I can carry for the next 2 weeks before I try to do anything to the hair. Okay, but let's get on in today about today's duty. All right, ta-da. Okay, so guys, today I'm finally going to be using this diffuser that I was given as a birthday gift as a last year. So this diffuser is probably gonna be like, it's been there for 8 months now. Ooh. I'm beginning to hoard like African mothers, and that should not happen, right? So I want to use this diffuser and see if it actually, you know, smells good and all that good stuff. Can't really perceive anything, yo, but let's hope that, you know, it works and it kind of like cozy and all that. Let's do this. It's not that bad. It doesn't smell that bad.
Oh, oh.
we are. I'm at my the salon right now, you guys, and I'm heading to do my hair. Just literally like just washed my hair and all that. I just got a good news, okay? But I don't want to jinx it. I don't want to be too excited about it yet. So I'm gonna like just chill until tomorrow. Then I'll know how to be very excited, okay? But for now, quick outfit of the day, you guys. Y'all see that? And my hair bob, okay? Yeah. People of God. See this one. Why are you always camera ready? Good evening. Good afternoon. Why are you so camera ready? Oh, they're making your hair. Yeah, and it's not your birthday yet.
Don't worry, my birthday's coming soon.
It's the nerves.
Just a month.
Oh. So where are you taking us to?
Again,
Are we gonna have dinner
where?
at Urban Air or something, or PR or something? You gotta live up to the standard, girl. What you talking about? Hello? Excuse me, for your birthday, girl.
Oh, don't worry, we're going for guest night on my birthday. Anybody will carry on.
Bills on you. Look at this broke motherfucker, bro. But it's the skin for me.
My skin, yeah, I know.
Ignore that woman. Ignore that woman.
Go down and die.
Jesus Christ, holy moly. Y'all, look at that. This is insane.
Please don't be my hair too much, thank you.
It's always your hair. Idiot. Patience, I need hair like this, oh. See the color now. Oh my God. But I will not need this brown. I think probably just.
It's 3 colors in one.
Is it 3 color in one?
Yes, that's how it is.
Oh wow. That makes a lot of sense too. Alright, hey guys. So I'm about to wash my hair, you guys. And look at that. Skin. Meanwhile, I told y'all I've been breaking out like crazy recently, and that's like just remnants and scars from the breakout, which was insane. But y'all, it's time to wash my hair, okay? It's the skin for me. It's the skin for me. Y'all, look at my skin in low light. And my skin with the sunlight. So this is. Alright guys, so this is the stage where my hair is at right now. I just need to like blow dry it and all that good stuff. We'll be out of here pretty soon, okay? Pretty soon. But look at what is going on there. I'm gonna just walk on the exposure for you guys. So yeah, there. You all see that? Okay, so back to me. So that's everybody now understood why. So I'm finally done with my salon day, and what's going on?
Why are you using filter?
Let me be like that
Like
girl.
Snapchat.
I just want to use this. Stay this way.
We barely see your face.
Okay, so I'm done with my hair, you guys. But this one was getting a makeup done.
And my hair.
Why you out of the frame, nigga? That's the hairstylist, the 2 hairstylists. She did my hair, she did her hair. So
I did my makeup, she did my lipstick.
shut the fuck up. You can't listen. She a bloody ass liar. She ain't doing shit. Okay?
She stole the style from the Migos.
Oh yeah, Migos inspired this look, y'all. I'm like.